Then third formula, how to determine velocity of nth orbital action. Then look here, velocity of nth orbit is equal to 2.182 into 10 to the power 6 z by n meter per second. If z, that is atomic number, and n number of cell is given, then we can calculate the velocity of nth orbital action. Planck quantum theory, E is equal to nh nu, where n indicate number of photon, h Planck constant, nu frequency. If frequency is given, then we can calculate energy. Energy is given, then we can calculate frequency. If both are given, then we can calculate n number of photons. N is equal to E by h nu. As we know, c velocity of light is equal to nu lambda. Then nu is equal to c by lambda. If wavelength and energy is given, or if wavelength is given, we can calculate energy. Energy is given, we can calculate lambda wavelength. If both are given, then we can calculate n number of photon. What is the formula? E lambda by hc. Power. Power is equal to work by time. Work is a form of energy, so E by T. E is equal to nh nu. Then n by T is equal to P by h nu. That is number of photons per second. If power and frequency is given, both power and frequency are given, then we can calculate n by T, number of photons per second. And as we know, nu is equal to c by lambda. Lambda comes in that equation. So P lambda is equal to P lambda by Sc, n by T is equal to P lambda by Sc. If power and wavelength are given, then we can calculate number of photons per second. Where, look here, n indicate number of photons, n by T number of photons per second, h Planck constant. The value of Planck constant is 6.62 into 10 to the minus 34 joule second, or 6.62 into 10 to the minus 27 earth second. 1 joule is equal to 10 to the power 7 earth. Then where c velocity of light, c is equal to nu lambda, or nu is equal to c by lambda. Lambda is equal to c by nu. Look here, n number of photon, n by T number of photons per second, h Planck constant. Their value will be 6.62 into 10 to the minus 34 joule second, or 6.62 into 10 to the minus 27 earth second. And as we know, 1 joule is equal to 10 to the power 7 earth. C velocity of light, c is equal to nu lambda, or nu is equal to c by lambda, or lambda is equal to c by nu. Where nu frequency, lambda wavelength, p power, and w what? T indicate time. Okay. Okay, de Broglie relation. Fifth formula. Lambda is equal to h by mv. If momentum is given, then we can calculate lambda, that is de Broglie wavelength. Momentum, product of mass and velocity is called momentum. If velocity, where m indicate mass of electron, v velocity of electron. If velocity of electron is given, then we can calculate lambda, de Broglie wavelength, where lambda indicate and the value of h is constant, that is Planck constant. Lambda de Broglie wavelength, h Planck constant, p momentum, m mass of electron, v velocity of electron. Okay, so velocity, when velocity is given, we can calculate de Broglie wavelength. Means velocity is converted into de Broglie wavelength. Momentum is also calculated into de Broglie wavelength. Heisenberg uncertainty principle. Del x into del p is greater than or equal to nh by 4 pi. If del p is given, then we can calculate del x. Del p is equal to m into del v, where del x indicate uncertainty in position, m mass of electron, del p uncertainty in momentum, del v uncertainty in velocity, and number of cell is Planck constant. So we can calculate uncertainty in position if uncertainty in momentum is given. If uncertainty in velocity is given, then we can calculate uncertainty in position, where del x uncertainty in position, del p uncertainty in momentum, del v uncertainty in velocity, and mass of electron is Planck constant, n number of cell, and the value of pi is 22 by 7 or 3.14. Then Rydberg formula. Rydberg formula gives how to calculate wavelength if initial and final cell is given. Rydberg formula is equal to 1 by lambda or nu bar. 1 by lambda or nu bar, that is wave number. is equal to RH into Z square 1 by N1 square minus 1 by N2 square. If N1 and N2 are given, the value of RH is fixed, Z atomic number, then we can calculate lambda, where 1 by lambda on new bar wave number, N1 initial cell, N2 final cell, Z atomic number, RH Rydberg constant. Value is fixed 109677 per centimeter or 1.09677 into 10 to the power 7 per meter. Look at how many formula? 6 formula. Then we will discuss 7 formula. I think 2 to 3 formulas more to solve the numerical. Then 8 formula, very important. Look here, correct. Maximum number of emission lines is equal to n into n minus 1 by 2, where n indicate number of cell. Maximum number of electron in any cell, as you studied in Borbélius scheme, 2n square, where n indicate number of cell. Maximum number of electron in any orbital or subcell is equal to 2 into 2l plus 1, where n indicate azimuthal quantum number. Okay. Energy of orbitals for any orbital is equal to principal plus azimuthal n plus l. Angular node, there are 2 types of node, angular node and radial node. Angular node is equal to how much formula? Angular node is equal to n. Then radial node is equal to, angular node is equal to, then energy of orbital is equal to n plus l. Number of angular node is equal to l, not n, equal to l. Number of radial node is equal to n minus l plus 1. Both combined to form total number of node. Node, that is n minus l plus l, is equal to how much? N minus 1. Where l indicate azimuthal quantum number and n indicate principal quantum number or number of cell. Where n indicate principal quantum number, l azimuthal quantum number. Look here. Total length TL. Total length is equal to number of atom into diameter. There are 3 to 4 questions on total length from NCERT. Nu is equal to 1 by T. Means if time period is given, we can calculate frequency and vice versa. Angular momentum is equal to L into L plus 1 h by 2 pi, where L indicate azimuthal quantum number, h Planck constant and phi 22 by 7. 2 pi r is equal to n lambda, where radius r radius of both orbit, lambda wavelength, de Broglie wavelength. If de Broglie wavelength given, we can calculate the radius of an atom, where TL indicate total length of a scale, number of atom, d diameter of an atom, new frequency, p time period, l azimuthal quantum number, n number of cell, h Planck constant, r radius of Bohr orbit, and lambda de Broglie wavelength. Very important formula. Last formula. Kinetic energy is equal to energy of photon minus W naught, where Ke kinetic energy half mv square, m mass of electron, v velocity of electron, EPH energy of photon is equal to nh nu, nsc by lambda according to Planck quantum theory. Okay. W naught, work function of threshold energy. The minimum amount of energy at which photoelectric effects start is called threshold energy. W naught is equal to nh nu naught or nhc by lambda naught, where nu naught threshold frequency, lambda naught threshold wavelength. That's all. If you remember such 10 formula, then you can solve all the question of NCERT from unit 2, structure of atom, NCERT part 1. So solve all numerical of unit 2 from NCERT 11 part 1. That's all about how to solve numerical of structure of atom from NCERT. Thank you.